Hey guys, adding all the comfort grip quarter inch and 3/8 drive ratchets, the regular ratchet and one thing slip switch ratchet. And that's it for that. And all that. And then this. And then all of this, guys. And then for icon tool storage makes it tricky on deciding on what I exactly want. If I want to go icon, even though that's going to be more expensive than what I was originally thinking, which is the US General Mini Toolbox, or I could get something of the icon tool storage. But if I do any, not including tool storage and organization, not including the tool storage or organization, the total price will be this plus tax, which would put it at $987. $900.87 plus whatever tool storage is going to be. So which means it could put me minimum. Wait. Let's do minimum. 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 Let's add. Let's do this, guys. I'm gonna have to look into all these different toolboxes to then 100% decide how I'm gonna do this for tool setup. Because depending on how I do it for tool setup will decide on how much I possibly may need or may not need. But then I will keep you guys posted. So hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload. I should make YouTube shorts. And keep on the community tab so YouTube makes feature to where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace. I'm out. Or guys, if I had a way to get our garage cleared out even more, I may go even more crazy. Getting full-size tool storage, roll cart, or something. Or toolbox. Or I'll figure something out. I'm gonna have to upgrade tool storage, especially with all the tools I'm planning on buying. So, I just wanted you guys to know. Like I've explained once before, I just have way too much in tools that the whole setup I have right now cannot handle it because I've literally had it tip over, in which I will show you guys what the tool storage looks like. Well, y'all have seen all the tools, but I can go through it again. There's some things in it that I don't, that are up in my room that are not in the tool storage right now. But you guys will see. Nope, I cannot flip it. Dang it. That's the tool storage I have right now, but I've had it tip over once. So I'm probably gonna switch to to something from Harbor Freight, and we'll just have to wait and see. And because of all the extra tools, that won't cut it. So I'm gonna have to upgrade to something from Harbor Freight, or I may go somewhere more expensive. I'm more leaning towards Harbor Freight so I can go cheaper. And that's pretty much how I'm doing for tools too. So I wanted to let you guys know. Bye, guys.